back to episode number 11 from series 2 of Jolly Phonics. This is Miss Nourhan. I'm an English instructor here at Sirkle Academy, and let's get started. Our new sound today is the sound of letter Y. The sound is y, y, y. Okay, the action like the yo-yo. Y, y, y. Repeat after me. Y, y, y. Your turn. Excellent, good job. Let's start in the blending board. We have 3 words. Number 1, y, a, y, a, yam, yam, yam. Number 2, y, a, p, y, a, p, yap, yap, yap. Number 3, y, e, s, y, e, s, yes, yes. Yes. Okay, this is your turn. Y, a, yam, yam. Super. Y, a, p, yap, yap. Good job. Y, e, s, yes, yes. Excellent. Good job. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye. Bye.